Hello our dear students, welcome back to another learning opportunity. In this lesson, let's talk about precise language. Important reminders: for some reasons, you may pause and rewatch this video. This lesson is based on the Common Core State Standard, particularly on writing or W.2.d, which is use precise language and domain-specific vocabulary to inform about or explain the topic. After the lesson, you are expected to, first, determine the characteristics of a precise word or language. Second, write sentences or paragraphs using precise words. And lastly, revise sentences using precise words or language. What is a precise language? Precise language in writing means clear, exact, specific, and short words that create mental pictures and concrete ideas or examples in the minds of the readers. Moving forward, please take note on the words clear, exact, specific, and short words. Let's have an example of a statement or sentence with a vague language. Business English is taught early in the academic world. In this example, the word early lacks precision because it is not specific. Maybe we can ask, is it taught in the first day of school, or first year or second year of taking the course? Perhaps. The academic world is also a vague term that could generally mean elementary, secondary, or tertiary education. So to make this example precise, we could say Business English is taught to second-year college students. Let's have another example of a statement with vague or not specific language. The teacher makes sure something is well written by the students. We can assume that something in this example could be a letter, essay, or an article since it has been written by the students. However, this should be more specific to make it precise. So we could say, the teacher makes sure that the narrative essay is well written by the students. So instead of saying something, we replaced it with more specific language, which is narrative essay. We have here an example of a statement or a sentence with a wordy verb or verb phrase. The essay writing skills of the students got better after the first week of instruction. In this example, we have a wordy verb or verb phrase got better. And to make this precise, if there is a single and exact word that we can use instead, and to still mean got better, then we should use that. So we can say, the students improved their essay writing skills after the first week of instruction. So instead of using the verb or verb phrase got better, we replaced it with more specific or exact verb improved. Another example. Before the new school year starts, the students should put in place all the school supplies. In this example, we have another wordy verb or verb phrase, which is put in place. So to make this precise, again, if there is a single or exact word that we can use instead, and to still mean put in place, then that should be the best word that we should use. So we could say, before the new school year starts, the students should arrange all the school supplies. So instead of using put in place, we replaced it with more specific and exact verb, which is arrange. Do you have any questions or feedback? Please write them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching.